Yogurt Fruit Sticks Candy. A fun-to-eat, sweet, and colorful treat loved by kids and adults. Each 180 grams pack has 100 fruity milk chewy sticks. For snacking, parties, giveaways. Great as Bayonne, prizes, or paninda. It's a nostalgic candy that adds color, sweetness, and joy to any occasion.